Guys, what's up? Today we'll be discussing about different types of servers. So number one is file server. So file server are the ones where all the files there are multiple employees in a company. So you are all the employees are storing in the same folder. So like if me and my partner is we are working on the same file. So that using that server, the modification will be easy and the data will be consistent since all the changes are stored in a single same file of by me and my partner. And but the downside is that it's very expensive to set up and maintain, and they might require specialized softwares. Second is web server, which is responsible for delivering web pages. Like if when a client requests a page, so web server is responsible for retrieving that page from a storage and send it to the client. These are basically the backbone of www, which is World Wide Web, and they are used to host website, web application, and web services. So their advantages is that they allow for the easy access to the web based application, but the downfall is that they are very vulnerable to security threats. So third one is a mail server. Mail server is the one like when you are sending a mail and your friend is opening their mailbox maybe tomorrow, and they will be receiving that mail. So in this whole procedure, mail servers are the one that are basically working. All the data is stored in there, and they are the one to keep track of what are your read mail, what are your unread mail, and other it manages each and everything. For this database server, like if I'm a web developer, so all my tables of my all the tables of my database will be stored in that specific database server. And all the changes, like if all the client customers who are using my website, so all the data will eventually be storing in the same database, and the modification, the deletion, all that will be done in the same database. So again, it is it is easier to manage and maintain a huge amount of data, and manage data consistency as well, but they are very expensive to set up and maintain, and they also require specialized technicians, and also uses specialized software. And the other three type will be discussed in the next video. For the till then, keep learning and stay blessed.